If HandBrake is giving you an error code, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the code, what it means, and how to fix the most common HandBrake exit codes fast. These errors can look confusing at first, but once you know where to check and what each code means, troubleshooting becomes much easier. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. First, let's find the actual error code. In HandBrake, the code is usually listed at the very bottom of the activity log. To open it, click the activity log button in the top right corner of the HandBrake window. Once the log opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the text. You're looking for a line that says something like, "Worker process exited," with code followed by a number. That number is the important part, because it tells you why the encode stopped. Now, let's go through the most common codes and the fixes you can try. If you see code 1, that usually means a general failure. In many cases, this is caused by a subtitle track, an audio track, or one of the filters crashing during the encode. The first fix is to go to the subtitles tab and clear everything there. Then go to the audio tab and clear those tracks as well. After that, open the filters tab and turn all filters off. Once everything is cleaned up, try the encode again. If the problem was caused by one of those settings, this often fixes it right away. If you see code 3, that usually means path not found. In simple terms, HandBrake can't find the destination folder or the drive you selected. Maybe the folder was moved, the drive is disconnected, or the save path is no longer valid. To fix it, click Browse and change the save's location to your desktop. This gives HandBrake a simple, reliable location to write the file. Once you save it there, try the encode again. If you see code 5, that usually means access denied. This is often a permissions issue, which means your system is blocking HandBrake from writing the file. The easiest fix is to close HandBrake, right-click the HandBrake icon, and select Run as Administrator. That gives the app higher permissions and can solve the issue when Windows is restricting file access. After reopening it as administrator, try the encode again. If you see code 24, that means disk full. This one is straightforward. There isn't enough space on the destination drive for HandBrake to finish the export. The fix is to delete old files and free up storage, or choose a different destination drive that has more room. Before you re-encode, always check that the target drive has enough space for the finished video file. If you see code -10737411819, that usually points to a hardware crash. In many cases, your graphics card driver has crashed during encoding. This can happen when hardware acceleration is unstable or the GPU driver is outdated. To fix it, go to the Video tab and change the encoder to H.264x264. That switches the job to software encoding instead of relying on the GPU. After that, update your GPU drivers as well, since an outdated driver can keep causing the same crash. A good workflow is to start with the code, match it to the issue, and then test the simplest fix first. That way, you're not changing settings randomly. If code 1 appears, check subtitles, audio, and filters. If code 3 appears, check the save path. If code 5 appears, run HandBrake as administrator. If code 24 appears, free up disk space. And if you get the hardware crash code, switch to H.264x264 and update your drivers. If you're still having trouble after trying these fixes, it's a good idea to recheck the activity log, because the log often gives extra clues beyond the exit code. Sometimes the code tells you the category of the problem, and the log line just above it tells you the exact setting that caused it. I hope this helped you understand HandBrake error codes a lot better and get your encode working again. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with the code you saw if you want help troubleshooting it further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.